This example is for the behavior delivering at pace at grades 6 and 7. It has been created using the guidance and example statements from the guide you can download with the link in the description. That guide provides clear advice on how to write your own statements and includes full examples across all behaviors. I believe that delivering at pace is vital for maintaining high standards and achieving successful outcomes in any project. So we open with a values-led belief statement. This helps frame the example in a way that shows awareness of the behavior. The guide calls this anchoring the context, and it's useful when done briefly and clearly like this. As marketing director, I was tasked with leading a comprehensive rebranding campaign for a major client. The deadline was tight, with only 3 months to launch, and the client expected top-notch results. This gives us the situation straight away: senior role, specific project, pressure from both deadline and client expectations. It's concise, but packed with enough detail to establish complexity. Note the absence of generic phrasing. This is how you signal senior-level delivery without spelling it out. To start, I held a strategy meeting with my team to clearly define our roles, responsibilities, and key objectives. I laid out a detailed timeline with milestones and deliverables, ensuring everyone knew what was expected and by when. This is a classic setup for the T part of STAR, the task. The response shows proactivity and structure. It demonstrates early planning, role clarity, and delivery focus, all of which align strongly with the great expectations for delivering at pace. I communicated our priorities and objectives with enthusiasm, emphasizing the importance of this project for both our agency and the client. Regular team meetings and updates kept everyone aligned and motivated. I fostered an open environment where team members felt comfortable sharing ideas and addressing potential issues early on. This section shows ongoing management. It's not enough to set the pace once. Strong examples show how you sustain it. Here, we see emphasis on motivation, alignment, and psychological safety. This is important at grade 6 and 7, where you're expected to drive delivery through others, not just alongside them. I set clear performance metrics and provided the necessary resources, including additional training and tools to help my team excel. I recognized and rewarded outstanding contributions, which boosted morale and encouraged sustained effort. Again, notice how this doesn't just mention performance management. It describes what was put in place and why. The statement links recognition to morale and effort, which shows awareness of how to sustain pace under pressure. Despite encountering unexpected challenges like last-minute client feedback and tight production schedules, I maintained my performance and encouraged my team to stay resilient. We conducted daily check-ins to assess progress and make swift adjustments as needed. Now we're into the response and adaptation. Grade 6 and 7 examples often need to show how you deal with issues mid-flight. Here we get specific challenges and, more importantly, actions taken. And here's the result. We get a quantifiable outcome, 30% increase, plus a reference back to the key factors that made it successful. It avoids vague conclusions and instead ties performance to specific actions earlier in the statement. If you want the full set of guidance and example statements this has been built from, use the link in the description to download the guide. It will help you shape your own statements with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more job application help.